There's no toxic emissions or anything. You could live right in the middle of the refinery and not suffer any ill effect.
We need lithium for the phone you have in your hands, for the batteries that will be in Tesla trucks, for other purposes. Texas wants to be able to increase our ability to refine lithium. You have taken that step with this project. Today is coming to reality. Texas is going to be more self-reliant today than we were yesterday.
In September of 2022, we learned that Tesla has devised a plan to build a lithium refining facility on the Gulf Coast of Texas. And surprise, surprise, Tesla has officially broken ground at its new lithium refinery outside Corpus Christie, Texas. The automaker plans to produce enough battery-grade lithium at the new factory to support the production of 1 million electric cars annually. Without a doubt, this factory will serve as Tesla's primary source of batteries, and it will produce luxurious and top-quality cells. So let's take a closer look at this newly established lithium refinery plant in today's episode of Tesla Car World. But first, thank you for tuning in. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on the latest breaking news from Tesla and the green technology industry overall. Hang on to your hats as we get started on today's episode. Tesla marked the start of construction for its proposed lithium refinery in South Texas, furthering its bid for more control over the supply chain for its growing fleet of EVs. Arriving behind the wheel of a Tesla Cybertruck, Tesla's CEO Elon Musk shared a stage with Texas Governor Greg Abbott and other officials in a closed event to celebrate the occasion. As they spoke, more than a dozen pieces of heavy machinery hollered and beat behind them, preparing the stretch of rural Nueces County land for the $375 million facility. The plant will produce battery-grade lithium, and Tesla is touting it as the first of its kind in North America. Nueces County Judge Connie Scott said this is an opportunity for growth in the coastal bend. Tesla's investment in Nueces County, creating 150 new jobs, will bolster our regional economy, Scott said in a statement to 3 News. This is an unprecedented opportunity, and I will continue to work in partnership for progress. So why did Tesla build a battery production facility here? The facility will push Tesla outside its core focus of building automobiles and into the complex area of lithium refining and processing, a step Musk said was necessary if the auto giant was to meet its ambitious EV sales targets. As we look ahead a few years, a fundamental choke point in the advancement of electric vehicles is the availability of battery-grade lithium, Musk said at the groundbreaking ceremony on Monday, with dozers and other earth-moving equipment operating in the background. Musk said Tesla aimed to finish construction of the factory next year and then reach full production about a year later. The move will make Tesla the only major automaker in North America that will refine its own lithium. Currently, China dominates the processing of many critical minerals, with lithium among them. Musk has said getting a foothold in the lithium refining business would be a license to print money. Last year, when the proposal was publicized, at least 2 lithium industry leaders were skeptical of the automaker's plans, one telling the Caller Times the lack of details available on the proposal could be a tough sell for investors. But what did Governor Greg Abbott have to say about the event? During the event, Abbott commended Tesla for its investment in Texas in recent years, including the relocation of its headquarters to Austin and a $1.1 billion manufacturing facility in Travis County. Such efforts go toward making the state self-reliant rather than depending on out-of-state or out-of-country means, he said. Texas wants to be able to be self-reliant, not dependent upon any foreign hostile nation for what we need. We need lithium, Texas Governor Greg Abbott said at the ceremony. The Republican governor said the Tesla facility was the first of a wave of jobs he projected was coming to the coastal bend. Up to 250 temporary jobs will be created during the first 2 years for construction of the facility, and the operation of the plant will create a total of 162 permanent jobs, according to a tax abatement application Tesla submitted to the Robstown Independent School District last year. The coastal Bend's preponderance of oil and gas jobs and industry was a draw for Tesla. The skills that individuals hone in these fields are applicable to the kind of work slated for the lithium refinery, said Drew Blaglino, Tesla's Senior Vice President of Powertrain and Energy Engineering, during the presentation. But aside from its proximity to Austin, the site's location near the port of Corpus Christie was a plus, given Tesla will be importing concentrates of spodumene, a source of lithium from across North America, Baglino said. How big, then, is the potential for this factory to grow with Tesla? Musk did not specify the volume of lithium the facility would process each year, although he said the automaker would continue to buy the metal from its vendors, which include the Albemarle Corporation along with the Livent Corporation. We intend to continue to use suppliers of lithium, so it's not that Tesla will do all of it, Musk said. Albemarle plans to build a lithium processing facility in South Carolina that will refine 100,000 tons of the metal each year, with construction slated to begin next year and the facility coming online sometime later this decade. Musk did not say where Tesla will source the rough form of lithium known as spodumene concentrate that will be processed at the facility, although Tesla has supply deals with Piedmont Lithium Incorporated along with others. Tesla said it would eschew the lithium industry's conventional refining process, which relies on sulfuric acid and other strong chemicals, in favor of materials that were less harsh on the environment, such as soda ash. Monday's announcement was not the first time that Tesla has attempted to venture into lithium production. Musk back in 2020 told shareholders that Tesla had secured rights to 10,000 acres in Nevada where it aimed to produce lithium from clay deposits, which had never been done before at commercial scale. While Musk boasted that the company had developed a proprietary process to sustainably produce lithium from those Nevada clay deposits, Tesla has not yet deployed the process. Tesla said last month a recent plunge in prices of lithium and other commodities would aid Tesla's bruised margins in the second half of the year. The refinery is the latest expansion by Tesla into Texas after the company moved its headquarters there from California in 2021. Musk's other companies, including SpaceX and the Boring Company, also conduct operations in Texas. We are proud that he calls Texas home, Abbott said, saying Tesla and Musk are Texas's economic juggernauts.
We think the most advanced cell in the world here at Giga Texas.
Tesla is preparing for 75,000 Model Y vehicles to arrive from Giga Texas in the first quarter of 2023. It confirmed that this ramp-up is happening, with Gigafactory Texas now producing 3,000 Model Y vehicles per week. Giga Texas is already huge and stands to be incredibly massive, but it seems that the company is not going to stop expanding or upgrading its factories anytime soon. So how is Elon Musk planning to expand this moneymaker in 2023?
We're aiming just with the Model Y program alone to get to 500,000 units a year.
Tesla is in a massive expansion phase as it tries to ramp up production globally. Public filings have shown that the company is planning to complete more construction work at its enormous Gigafactory in Texas. So how's the construction coming along? According to documents submitted to the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation, construction will start on December 27th of 2022 for a ground-up and complete interior finish out of the EV manufacturing facility. Tesla plans to further gain a foothold along the State Highway 130 corridor near Austin with the addition of infrastructure at its Giga Texas facility. Construction on the new project at 1 Tesla Road is expected to begin next week. The project covers 174,979 square feet and will cost $58 million based on the value submitted with the permit. The estimated date of completion is March 13th of 2023. To facilitate the delivery of Model Y, how has Elon Musk improved the route? Since earlier this summer, Tesla has been using the rail yard located at the RCR Taylor Logistics Park, about 40 minutes northeast of Giga Texas, to send off newly built cars to various areas of the US by train. Tesla has been loading its new Model Ys onto the trains via 2 rail sidings. That was until recently when Tesla began work to add 4 new rail sidings, tripling the capacity from 2 to 6. Work is progressing quickly and most of the new tracks have been already laid, based off of the most recent flyover by a drone operator that's been tracking the progress of the construction. As you can see in this video, the tracks are almost complete and ready to join the main line, based on the increased activity at Giga Texas and the work on their rail yard to increase its capacity. It looks like Giga Texas could see a big ramp in production in the coming year. But does this Gigafactory have any other projects? The EV maker has become the largest manufacturer in Central Texas. It already employs about 10,000 people at the existing site. However, this number is only a part of the total of those who will ultimately be employed by Tesla there. Musk announced in December of 2021 that Tesla would invest more than $10 billion in the factory, creating at least 20,000 direct and indirect jobs. Meanwhile, Tesla submitted a site plan in October for a logistics facility and parking lots located at 11901 Half Tesla Road, west of State Highway 130. The site is about 239 acres. Elon Musk also plans to build a solar canopy over this parking lot. Musk said that with solar parking structures, your business can provide numerous benefits to everyone who parks on your premises. For customers and employees, a solar canopy provides shade and coolness for their parked vehicles, which can translate into reduced AC and fuel consumption. For businesses, the energy generated by these solar canopies often results in drastically reduced energy bills. Moreover, the cooling effect of solar parking structures is twofold. First, vehicles are protected from the impact of the sun when parked beneath a solar canopy. This protects cars and trucks from direct contact with the sun's rays on hot, sunny days. For drivers, the effects of this shielding are very comforting, as it leaves cars cooler throughout the time that customers and employees leave their cars parked under the covers. According to a study, this parking usage can reduce a vehicle's fuel economy by 25%, and much of this consumption occurs immediately after a driver re-enters a hot, parked car. The idea of the solar parking lot's maximum potential is very feasible, and we hope Musk will have it implemented in 2023. More production means more waste is generated. So how then will Tesla handle this? Tesla plans to develop on a site west of State Highway 130, where it also plans to set up a wastewater interceptor. A wastewater interceptor collects wastewater from extensive facilities like Giga Texas and channels it to a treatment plant to avoid environmental pollution. Tesla likely tapped H2O innovation last year to design 2 reverse osmosis filtration systems to handle 2,200 cubic meters of water per day to aid wastewater reuse. H2O innovation is a leader in customized water and wastewater treatment solutions using membrane technologies. But what about Tesla's energy business in Giga Texas? After gaining experience through its virtual power plants or VPPs, Tesla is taking things a step further with the launch of Tesla Electric. It's an electric plan exclusively offered in parts of Texas where retail choice is available, like Houston and Dallas. The product turns Tesla into a retail electric provider in the Lone Star State and allows Powerwall owners to sell some of their excess electricity back to the grid, with Tesla as the go-between. Crucially, this product is invite only. If you own one of Tesla's big batteries and have a home in a deregulated part of Texas, you'll see a banner appear on your Powerwall home page in the Tesla app, Tesla said. This looks closer to what Musk described when he said he wanted Tesla Energy to become a distributed global utility that could outgrow the automotive business. It's starting with Texas, but I assume that Tesla is going to want to expand this product everywhere that Powerwall is available. In short, Tesla has always said that the focus of the production teams will shift to Cybertruck once Model Y reaches volume production at Gigafactory Texas. On the original Giga Texas site, Tesla has taken deliveries of parts of the first GigaPress 9000T as it prepares to manufacture the long-awaited Cybertruck. Tesla has been able to ramp up electric vehicle programs to large volumes better than any other automaker. Therefore, there's still a chance for the Cybertruck to be the dominant electric pickup truck within a short period of time, which could be about 12 to 18 months.
And that just about covers this new groundbreaking story. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode of Tesla Car World. If you enjoyed the video, please consider showing your appreciation by leaving a like, sharing it with your friends, subscribing if you haven't already, and turning on notifications so you can stay up to date with the latest news about EV and green technology. We're excited to have you join us in the next episode, and until then, stay safe and stay healthy.